Hey everyone, it's October 9th, 2011, and right now it's 10:50 at night, and I'm just showing you the new market prognosis I have, and that's with Apollo Group, and we're going to start with the S&P 500 and my market prognosis on that. So as you can see here, let me zoom in here for you first, and then we have the 50-day simple moving average and the 20-day simple moving average, and this is the last closing trading day, and it can't quite break through these resistance lines here. So the simple moving averages are acting as resistance and it's pushing the stock down. So I'm looking for it to move around here, rather the index. I'm looking for it to move to around here. And then to show something else to you, I'm gonna line this up for you. We have a trend line right here, a decreasing trend line, and it's bounced off the stock around 4 times, so I'd say it's pretty valid. And then we have support line here, and as a result, this is called a descending triangle because this has stayed relatively flat, but this has continued to descend. So as a result, that's a descending triangle, and it's actually a bearish signal. And if this can continue to break down through this support line as it did here, it could be a very strong move down. But just for now, we're looking at this position here to move down to around this support line. And then moving over to the VIX, we've got the 50-day moving average here, and the last closing day slightly bounced above the 50-day moving average. So I'm still bullish on the VIX, that's what this is, and I'm looking at to move around to up here, as a result pushing the market down. And then that brings us to Apollo Group, ticker symbol APOL. And we have the 200-day moving average acting as very strong resistance. In addition to that, we have the 20-day simple moving average, and the stock couldn't break through neither one of them. In fact, it broke through, but it wound up closing down through both of those. So that's a very bearish signal. And looking at that, I want to show you something else. Seeing this intersection here, with the green line cutting down through the blue line, the 200-day moving average, and then we have the 20-day cutting down through that, that's called a death cross. That's a bearish signal, and basically stating that the market or this stock could possibly continue to decline downwards. But as of right now, we would look for this to move down to this support line, which was established a few times back earlier. So that's the new market prognosis on Apollo Group. So thanks for watching. Have a good night.